Please. Please. Hey, how Bobby? How you doing?
Hi, Bob.
His name is Mike.
He's a good dog. You'll pet him.
Yeah.
Yeah.
The dog is named Buddy.
His name's Buddy, yeah.
Hey, can you?
He's friendly. He doesn't bite hard.
Can you do this?
Can you just go around?
Go
He
around
won't, don't
me.
even jump. Don't jump. He's wagging his tail. He's a happy dog. He's got
Do,
lab in him.
do this. Go around me.
Yeah, he's a good dog.
Can you do it?
What?
Go around me.
Come on, wait a minute. Buddy, come here. Come here. Watch this. No, stand up. Slow. No. Buddy, stand up. Stand up. Stand up. Stand up. Did you get it?
Yeah.
Stand up. Stand up. Stand up. Stand up.
Talented dog.
Turn, sit. High five. Sit. Sit, buddy, sit. Buddy, come here.
Do you know how to do this?
High five.
Tell him to do it.
Go around me.
Go around it. He doesn't do it. Go around.
No,
you know how to do
do
this.
you,
Go around.
no, you'll. The dog will do it. If you do this, go around me. He'll
Come here,
do it.
baby. Come on.
He'll do it. Do it.
See if you go around me. Come here. Go around. Come here, buddy. Buddy, come on. No. Come on.
Do you have Arabic mushrooms?
Huh?
Do you have Arabic mushrooms
Ribbit mushroom.
in that drink?
It's a Dr. Pepper.
Oh, did you know that you if you drink Dr. Pepper, your Arabic mushrooms will grow like a sprout behind your ear?
A mushroom?
Yeah.
Will grow behind my ear? I
Yeah.
never heard that.
I know.
You made that up, didn't you?
How'd you know?
He's a good boy, though.
Do this to
Go
yourself.
around
Go
me.
Go around me, buddy.
No, it's funny. Do it to yourself. Go around me.
Go around me like this.
No, do this.
Around me.
No.
Go around me.
Go around me.
Can you do this?
Buddy, come here. Don't you jump on nobody.
High five.
Right.
Buddy,
Hey, sit. No, don't stand up. Sit.
high five.
Sit.
High five.
High five. No, come here. Sit, buddy. High five. There he goes. High five. He gave you a high
How
five.
does he know?
Huh?
How does he know?
About that? I trained him like that.
How
I've
old
trained
is he?
dogs. I've had German Shepherds, Golden
How old
Retrievers.
is he?
He's about a year old.
Oh, yeah. He's so cute.
He's a baby doll,
He has
though.
a
He's
ba-
sweet. He
he
licks
has a
like
baby-
he's a kisser.
He has a
isn't
baby face.
Throw your fist
Yeah,
up.
he's a good dog, though. He's sweet as can be.
Throw your fist up.
Yeah, he has lab in him. Labs won't bark. And it took me like a month or 2 months to get him to bark.
Oh.
He wouldn't bark. Now he's starting to play. When I first got him, his nose was bleeding, his ears were bleeding, his tail was bleeding.
He must have had mushroom laryngitis C.
No, he had flies all over him.
Oh, like
and now he's an
boogers?
indoor dog. He's an outdoor dog. He's only gone to the bathroom one time
Yeah,
in the
like
house.
blue balls. Yeah.
Yeah, because whoever had him abused him. I got a fly swatter to kill fly. He ran crying.
Who would
I
do
got a
such
newspaper.
thing?
He ran crying.
Who?
Now if I get one, he chases. He follows me, and now he tries to kill flies and
Oh.
roaches. He steps on roaches now. He kills roaches and he tries to snap out flies.
Who would
But he
do
knows
such
I
a
don't
thing?
like him now. He knows what I'm
Yeah.
doing when I pick up fly swatter stuff. So he goes over and it's funny.
Yeah.
He almost knocked some things over trying to get one fly to this. What you said a little while ago.
He looks like Oreo.
So what grade are you in? You're about a 9th or 10th?
10th.
10th, right on.
Yes.
8th,
7.
7th. You're in 7th grade?
Yeah.
5th grade?
No, 3rd.
3rd? I was close on every one of them.
Yeah.
Where's he going?
Yeah, he's a good dog, and he's
What
sweet.
grade is he in?
He's a year old, so he's right. Years they're like 3 years instead of 4 years dog life. 7 years.
Can you
It
do
used to be
this?
7, now it's 5. So he's about 5 years old right
Oh,
now.
if you do this, dogs would...
Dogs know
dogs
the
would-
sense of love. If you
Yeah,
do
if you
this.
do this.
Yep.
Do it.
You know how to scare a dog? Go like this, buddy.
What is he doing? What is he doing?
I mean, if you do that dog, sometimes they'll look at you and they'll run
Yeah.
away.
And you know what will make him even more run away? If you do this.
Uh huh.
You should try it.
watch.
Can you do this? Watch my eyes. Watch.
No.
Hmm.
Trying to be like Daniel.
Yeah.
I can.
You gotta have your eyes open more though, like this. Did you get it?
Yeah.
Let me see.
You're gonna be famous.
Huh?
Oh, it's still recording.
You're gonna
Here
be
you go.
famous.
You're gonna be famous. You know that, right?
I'm not famous. I partied with Jimmy Buffett one night. I know Jimmy Buffett.
I don't know who is that.
You did?
Have you ever heard of Mellencamp?
Yeah.
No.
He was at a place. I met him. He was playing guitar in a little place in the first annual St. Pontius Day Festival, 1988, and he was playing all by himself. I got to talk to him. Mellencamp, it's John Mellencamp. So I met John Mellencamp and I partied with Jimmy Buffett. The next day I called work, said it's Michael. Jimmy Buffett grabbed the phone and said, I peeled the good and can't come in, and hung up. He didn't get me fired, but that was close.
What did you do with him?
With who?
with the famous person?
I just talked to him, just nice. I mean, just talked to him. I never asked for autograph either. I mean, I just. But
Did you pull his head back while you ride him
You want
on
to see
like a
some
horse?
autographs? Y'all come here. Okay.
Yeah.
I'm gonna do this. Yeah, but I don't drink alcohol anymore.
It's funny. He reminds me of Joe.
I like your house.
It's so nice.
Ooh.
There's a little bit. We don't always have.
Yeah, nice.
We don't even know this guy, and we're just going in his house.
Nice.
Whoa.
Shut the door. Don't let flies come in. Yeah.
What a nice place.
Yeah. Here's all my NASCAR stuff. Check it out. And these basketballs autograph all the Tar Heel players. Both of them. All these cars.
Where's that person's autograph?
Which one?
The guy you were talking about.
I got autographs of a lot of people. Come here.
Orgasms.
Everything up here is autographed. Everything up here is all autographed, except for the gold car. The gold car. That's an 18 karat.
Awesome.
That's an 18 karat gold car. It's 18 karat. This is signed. That's signed by the box. These are all autographed here. The whole wall's autographed there.
Where's your bed?
Right here.
Oh, it's cool.
One girl came in. One little boy came in and said, "Yeah, I'm quitting smoking now. I got patches."
That is such a nice TV.
Yeah.
Oh, how many cars do you have?
I don't know. I never counted them. I got cars all over here. All over here.
I
all
love
there.
cars.
Huh?
I love cars.
This
I
is
got
a
a lot,
very
don't I?
nice
Yeah.
extra shirt of decoration.
Yeah, that's my shirt. I left there to dry.
Oh, and you have more right here.
Yeah. Here's all my bobbleheads. Check out my bobbleheads.
I bet you can't copy
Do you know Hangover?
Huh?
The movie Hangover?
Yeah, I've got that one.
He has
You do?
Uh-huh.
Number one?
It's when they went to
Children
Las
of the
Vegas.
Corn. Yeah.
Yeah, I got that movie. I can't play any movies now because when I punched in my thing right here, and when I punched it, open it, it went in the hole. The whole thing went in, so it's like, uh-oh.
Yeah.
So now I got to get a new one now. This is still wet a little bit.
Look at the
Oh,
movies.
back up there.
Look at the movies.
Yeah.
I got a lot of nice things, don't I?
Ew, Twilight.
Huh?
Hate Twilight.
I got all the Twilight movies. They're great, aren't they?
No, I don't like Twilight.
You don't like werewolves and vampires?
What is
No.
that?
Why not?
What is
I know they're cool, I think.
Back to the Future.
I mean, I got over 1,000 movies.
It's cool. Ow.
Yeah. I got all these. I got all the Mummy movies.
Oh.
This is all the Life movies. I got Life and Planet Earth.
What about horror movies?
I got horror movies. I got The
You do?
Exorcist. I got all 4 Exorcists. That's the scariest movie ever made.
For real?
No hands down. That's the scariest movie
I
ever
never,
made.
I never
Exorcist,
saw. I
isn't
only
it?
saw number
I
one.
never seen that.
You never see? You want to borrow it?
Yeah. Yes. Thank you so much.
You want to see a scary movie?
It's cool.
Thank you so much.
Y'all bring it back.
Okay.
Well, tomorrow?
Yep.
Okay.
Sometime like.
We'll try to watch all 4
Anytime
tonight.
tomorrow.
We'll try to watch them.
Where's my glasses? I got
Oh,
glasses. See, y'all live in here, so
They're
I
right
trust
here.
y'all.
Yeah.
But this is a
right
good
here.
movie.
You have a lot of.
It's in a black box thing right here. Thing.
Is this it?
The first one's scary. The second one is not good. The third one's good. The fourth one's not. That's got all 4 movies in it. It's got my name on it right there,
Yeah.
JMC.
Are you looking for these?
Yep, they're my glasses.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
You have a lot of money.
Huh?
You have a lot of money.
I don't have a lot of money.
No?
Nope.
It's like a mansion.
Looks like-
I got a lot of nice things though, don't I?
Yeah, but how much were they all put together?
Those are all like $5 a piece.
$5 for
The big cars are like $50 a piece.
What?
All the big cars are like 50 to 25. The cheaper one, like that 49, was like 25.
What about the shitty ass right there?
Hmm?
That guy.
That's Casey Kane.
How much?
I got this for like $25, and it's autographed by him right there.
That's pretty good. That's
Should I
a
stop
good
the
deal.
video?
Yeah.
Whoa.
But I got a lot of good movies though, don't I?
Okay.
I got a lot of good ones, don't I?
Yeah. What happened right there?
that. We have that.
What was that?
Oh my, this little touchdown thing.
Oh, he's got AIDS?
That's it.
Oh, that's Michael. Okay, yeah, that's
You can
Yeah.
record.
What's that? He's a great actor too, isn't he?
What happened to you? What happened to what? Was that like a? Is that like a hood?
That's a hood. This is a big hood here. Look how big that hood is.
Oh my god! That's like a bus.
That is. It's a big hood.
That's like a bus.
I got that out of a junkyard.
Oh, for real?
Yeah, somebody threw it away.
They should never throw it away.
I know. They were stupid.
You love race cars, don't you? Race cars, don't
Yeah, I
you?
got a lot of nice cars. I got a lot of nice.
What are those basketballs
They're basketball autographed all the Tar Heel players.
from?
This is when they had Tyler Hasbro and all them. This is autographed all them.
Oh my God.
They all put a number beside them.
Well, how long was that?
This one is, I don't know. I mean, when they won it, that must be 92 or 95, 90 something. That's the year after.
And
You
those.
want a marshmallow? You want a marshmallow, Santa?
No,
Mark-
thank you. I don't like mushrooms.
You don't like mushroom? You
No,
like,
I don't like mushrooms.
they're not mushrooms, they're marshmallows.
Stop tricking me. Do you know they're Arabic mushrooms?
They're
Those are
marshmallows.
mushrooms.
Marshmallows.
Mushrooms.
Marshmallow chocolate.
Mushrooms.
Marshmallow.
It's mushrooms. Arabic
Mark-
mushrooms. Don't have to tell me.
Thank you for these movies.
You're welcome.
We'll return it tomorrow.
I actually do like them kind of. But it's not as bad.
Yeah, I used to be bald. I've been using Rogaine. You're no good. I
I always wanted that.
I had no hair from here to here down to here.
Does it work?
My hair's full now, isn't it?
Wait, let me see. Can I see it?
Hmm?
Can I see it?
What?
The logo?
Yeah, the bottles.
Oh, I've been dying to get that.
You don't need it.
Yes, I do.
No, you're not losing your hair.
I want that so bad.
Huh?
I want that so bad.
You don't know. You're not losing your hair.
Is this for the TV?
Huh? Yeah, that's one of the remotes.
Ooh, you should try that cowboy hat on.
These are Stetsons. That's a Stetson. These are expensive hats.
Wow. Do this.
Mhm.
Oh, wait. Do that. Perfect.
Is that a picture?
I got another one right
Is
here.
that a picture of a game?
Huh?
That you did you take that picture?
Which one?
That
Oh no, that one's autographed though.
Oh,
No, this one's not autographed. That's a championship one. I just put it up there.
okay.
I got a Dale Earnhardt calendar over here, and that's a good one there. This will be worth some money one day.
I know.
I mean, it's got all.
Oh,
He
yeah.
died early. My favorite
A
driver.
person's been trying to get that for $50. They want to pay that for.
Who?
I don't know. This person in our neighborhood, they've been trying to look for that, and they're saying they'll pay $50 for it.
I wouldn't sell 50.
More than that?
I wouldn't let it go for nothing. Somebody tried to buy I had a golden retriever once from Ducks Unlimited. This truck's for $8,000. He was on a wrap
Yeah,
for
like blue
$1.
balls, mushrooms. Yeah.
I got the #1 golden medal in the United States. I mean,
And they're like flopped up, right?
I know they called that. He was wonderful though. That dog was. They
Yeah,
called
they
him the
pulled
Wonder
his head
Dog.
back, yeah.
He was wonderful. That dog
Yeah.
was a
You
wonder
sold
dog.
him?
No, I never sold him. I kept him
Where is
15
he?
years. A guy offered me $3,000 for him. I said no. That's
Where
like
is he?
taking a child. You don't
Where
give
is
away
he?
your child. No.
Oh, no.
Where is he?
Huh? He died.
Did you pull his head back like as you ride him like a horse?
No. I was like 20 something, but I'd be going to the waterway. He'd go brrrr, the whole way down to the waterway. But he talked. That was just like saying, "Let's go, let's go." He went brrrr. I mean, one time I had him on the beach, and this little black boy said, "Can I pet him?" I said, "Sure." He's wagging his tail, and Echo went woof like that. Wasn't a bark. It was like woof, come here. It wasn't even bark. It was like woof, come here. And the guy ran down the beach. His mom was like 300 pounds chasing him down the beach, and we about died laughing. That was funny. I know.
Wow, this is a good story.
Yeah, he was a wonder dog. I got pictures of him.
Oh yeah, let's go.
This is funny.
You're the coolest person in this neighborhood.
I hear you. All these different players. Check this out. These are all autographs here. Not all of them. There's my other dog. That's the golden retriever. That's the one I had that was a wonder dog.
Oh,
That looks
He was beautiful. He was beautiful.
is that Donald Trump?
This is autographed by a Tar Heel player.
Oh, that's cool.
He looks gay.
This is autographed. He's married. He married a cheerleader. This is Dean Smith's autograph.
Is he clapping his ass?
That's Dean Smith, huh? This is a Tar Heel player that he
Is
autographed
he
that.
holding in his pee?
This one's autographed by that guy right
Are they a
there.
couple?
Huh? Huh?
Is he Chinese?
That's autographed by
You have a
him.
lot of soda bottles.
Casey Elliott. Yeah, that's Tony Stewart's autograph right there.
Oh.
That's Danny Hamlin's autograph there. That's Tony Stewart. I haven't got that autograph yet. I want to get that one. That's autographed by Harry Gant. They called him the. Here's something. That's autographed by Dale Earnhardt. This is autographed by her, Patricia, what her name is. But I got a lot of good things.